Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? This is Michael Zuber, author of One Rental at a Time and creator of original content on this YouTube channel each and every day. Do yourself a favor. If you want to talk about money, investing, real estate every day, you want to know what's going on in the markets, do yourself a favor, hit subscribe, hit notification. If you want to get your little tidbit on daily financial news, we do it about 7:30 every morning. But again, realize I am here as someone who's earned financial independence from one rental at a time. And what I want to do in this video is talk about why the smart money, the Wall Street money, is betting billions of dollars on single family rentals in the suburbs. I believe this trend of single family rentals in the suburbs is investable. Wall Street is clearly in play with billions of dollars going to work right now. And it is why I think you should at least consider the idea of one rental at a time. Yes, I know there is some flux in the market today around evictions and non-payment. As someone who's been in the market 20 years, I could promise you this is not the worst time to be a landlord. The hardest time to be a landlord was actually 2006 or 7. But we will get into that. In the end, I believe if you can get 4 single family rentals, you will change your financial future. So allow me to walk through why I think the smart money is putting billions of dollars to work and why I think you should get 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever that happens to be, whatever the right number is for you so that you can have a better financial future. This should be about 15 minutes. Again, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and notification. I always forget to say those things. So let me give this a shot. Make this a little bit bigger. Forgive me. All right. So again, one of the things that I want you to realize is One Rental at a Time is a book that I think all of you need to read. It is available on Amazon and Audible. I did put it out on Audible, even though it costs thousands of dollars. It has been selected by Forbes as one of the top 15 books to read if you're interested in real estate investing. It was actually number 3. I will share with you in this presentation a link to the Forbes article where they graciously nominated my book. It was awesome. Do me a favor, though. I do all these things for you for free. So if you are listening to this and you've read this book, please go to Amazon or Audible or both and leave a quick 5-star review. We just exceeded 100 Audible reviews and we're almost at 300 on Amazon. So if you could do me that favor, maybe just hit pause right now, go to Amazon or Audible, leave a review. I would thank you very, very much. This was a comment I got. I'm not sure if this was on Instagram. This might have been on Instagram. But this was from actually a follower of this channel, a student of mine, and someone who read my book. And as you can see, Tamika, she gives a lot of credit, as I do, and actually call it out in my book, One Rental at a Time for Rich Dad, Poor Dad. But what Tamika and more students are saying is the mindset shift, the journey supercharged by one rental at a time. What you're going to see in this book, and we'll do in this presentation, and why the smart money is going after single family homes. This is the game-changing book right here. This story is purely a review of 15 years, what went right, what went wrong. It's not really a how-to book. It's, hey, I read Rich Dad, Poor Dad. I did these things. This is what happened. This is what broke. This is what worked. And, that is the 15 years. So in the end, when you think about one rental at a time, I want you to ask yourself, have you ever read a biography about just a normal working class employee who earns financial freedom? All the books that I've read, with exception of one, there was a book written by William Nickerson in like 1950 that I thought was pretty good, although it was really thick, long out of print and really expensive, but I read it. But this One Rental at a Time book is just that. It is, hey, I was an employee. I had a family. I live in an expensive market. I can't invest here. What am I going to do? Again, crazy work life. I was frequently on 3 continents in a week, certainly multiple states, raising a child. I didn't have any mentors. Nobody in my family had any experience. I suffered 6-figure stock market losses as an idiot. And I knew nothing about rentals. Nothing. I had no idea. Rich Dad, Poor Dad said, buy a house. I bought a house. And that's how the journey begins and why you must read One Rental at a Time. Do you believe financial freedom is possible for the average person? The more and more people I talk to, the more and more students I speak with, not everybody believes it's possible. I firmly believe it is possible. You will see in the book how you do it. It does take sacrifice. It does take some hard choices. It's not for everyone, but I promise you this, one rental at a time will show you how to have a better financial future. That much is certain. Whether or not you do it long enough for financial freedom, that is entirely your choice. This book documents the entire 15-year journey, and that is important because we start in 02 or 03, the market gets crazy high, crash, and then the market comes back. You will see that entire journey. You will see us exit housing, move to apartments, then at the very end, sell apartments and go back to housing. Real estate bubbles are real. We had a real estate depression. What else happened? Lending got crazy. Private money, raised millions of dollars in private money. How do we do that? It's all in the book. Here's the article, and I just copied the URL there. Forbes Magazine listed One Rental at a Time is the #3 book to read about real estate investing. You see the link there, Forbes.com, 15 essential books to read before starting your journey. It's just awesome. I'll leave this here for a minute. I will probably put this as the description below. I'll find this link again, put it in the description below so you can cut and paste, or copy and paste, I should say. But yeah, again, to be recognized by Forbes was unexpected, and that was a good day. Another thing you will see if you've been following on this channel, again, if you like this stuff, we're about halfway through this. Do me a favor, hit subscribe, hit thumbs up, show me some love. I create original content every day that is meant to help you be better. I'm not someone that is feeding the algorithm around stimulus and other nonsense. I'm creating content. We're looking at stuff every day. I'm showing you walkthroughs and all this other stuff of one rental at a time. And again, the book calls out all the bad, because bad stuff will happen. I share with you plenty of mistakes that slowed us down, added years to our journey. Just those couple of tidbits in the books could save you years and help you achieve financial freedom earlier or a better financial future sooner. They almost derailed us, and boy, that would have been very, very sad. We discuss single family homes. We discuss small multifamilies. We even discuss apartment buildings. A lot of you think bigger is better. Well, there was a time that was very true, and then there wasn't. So we talk about lots of things. Again, it is our experience. We only talk about our experience. And when I say our, it's the wife and I. It's what we have done. No partners, no syndications. This is us. Our goal started simple. We didn't think financial freedom. We didn't think that far ahead. We were like, we're going to get 1, we're going to get 4, right? We're going to get 4. That was it. And then 4 became 10. And we just kept rolling forward as our skill and our ability and network grew. I want this book to be what people believe. That's what I believe Tamika was saying in that first slide or second slide is, yeah, Rich Dad, Poor Dad changed my mindset, but one rental at a time, it had me believing. It allowed me to understand that it is possible for the average American to have a better future. And if you do it long enough, financial freedom. Do me a favor, if you do end up getting this book again on Amazon or Audible, please send leave a 5-star review. That would be wonderful. It's a nice give for everything that I try to do. So at the end of the day, Wall Street, the smart money, is buying single family homes in the suburbs. Why are they doing that? They know that the suburb rental market is going to be on fire. That is going to increase rents and increase value. Wall Street is not dumb. They can be wrong. They can be early, but Invitation Homes already has 80,000 single family homes. They've raised billions of dollars to get more, and they're not alone. Single families in the suburbs are going to be hot, hot, hot. I suggest you do your homework, you learn your market. If you need help learning your market, join my course like Tamika, because it will allow you to see how to do it effectively, and really make some life-changing purchases. All right, everybody, take care. Bye-bye.